Hi, my name is Katie Voss, and my speech today will be about heart attack signs and symptoms. It's targeted towards the general public. According to James Berkman from WebMD, he stated that heart disease is the number one killer of United States men and women, accounting for 40% of all United States deaths. Heart attacks can be very serious if they are not caught when the signs are showing. Today I have a few main signs for people to remember and look out for, not only in themselves, but in their friends and family too. The National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute stated that a heart attack is when the flow of oxygen-rich blood to a section of the heart muscle suddenly becomes blocked and the heart cannot get oxygen. If the blood flow isn't restored quickly, that section of the heart muscle begins to die, and that's called myocardial infarction. A few different things that could also cause a heart attack would be a buildup of plaque in the arteries, along with just heart failure or even an arrhythmia in the heart. An arrhythmia is an irregular heartbeat that could cause death if not treated. Signs and symptoms of a heart attack come in all different forms. Some signs may be that more noticeable than others. All signs should be taken seriously. Chest discomfort and numbness down the jaw and the left arm are the most commonly stated symptoms, but there are many more, and not everyone has the same signs and symptoms. WebMD stated that the 12 of the symptoms never to ignore are anxiety, chest discomfort, cough, dizziness, fatigue, nausea or lack of appetite, pain in other parts of the body, rapid irregular pulse, shortness of breath, sweating, swelling, and weakness. Although these are not all the signs and symptoms, they are some of the main ones. If any of these symptoms come about and the person is not acting their normal selves, make sure to dial 911 right away. It's better to get it checked out and examined to be safe rather than letting it go too far. When calling 911, the rescue squad will come and right away will take vital signs along with an EKG, which takes a picture of 12 different views of the heart. It may seem scary with so many people doing different things at once, but they're just trying to take care of you and get you the help that you need at that time. Also, a few different medications will be given called nitroglycerin and aspirin. It helps to dilate those blood vessels and make sure that there's no clotting in the heart. So although you may think that you are not having a heart attack and it doesn't come on suddenly like some say it will, it's better safe than sorry to get checked out. Heart attacks are one of the main killers in the United States, and you don't want to be another number. Keep yourself healthy and safe, and make sure to dial 911 or go into the doctor's office when something is not normal.